Welcome to Training Module 22, Evidence-Based Practices and a Practical Application. This is just a basic training to help your staff make sure they're applying evidence-based principles and that they understand the impact of evidence-based on the work that they do every day. It's not a complicated training. All you're going to do is walk through the 8 evidence-based practices principles and ask your staff how they actually apply in your particular organization. For example, number 1, target highest risk offenders. Make sure they understand the principle and then ask this question. How do we accomplish this and how are we going to grade our agency? What do we do specifically? Have them fill in the specifics and make this as detailed as possible. This should really be a chance for them to think, and you need to help them think. Then you're going to move on to 2, assess offender needs. How do we do this? What are we doing? Are we doing it well? What's our grade? And you're going to walk through each of the 8 steps or principles doing this particular process. Design responsivity. Answer questions about the principle. Make sure they clearly understand the implications and the application. How do we accomplish this? Develop behavior management plans. How are we doing on this? What's the agency's focus in this whole process? Do we need more training? How are we accomplishing this and what's our grade? Number 5, deliver treatment programs. Are there additional programs we could be offering that we're not currently offering? What are the programs we're offering? And let's go down through that and begin to think through clearly. Motivate and shape offender behaviors. How do we accomplish this? What are we doing? How are we walking through our rewarding process? Be as specific as possible when you go through each one of these. And then with number 7 and number 8, you're going to do the exact same thing. This is not a complicated process, but it's one that should be repeated frequently to make sure that your staff is aware of each of the 8 principles of evidence-based and that they are fully understanding how they apply to what they do every day.